आप भी लंच के बाद ऑफिस में ऐसे ही स्ट्रगल करते हो? कीप वॉचिंग।
सबको लगता है चूरन या अजवाइन के पानी से एसिडिटी और ब्लोटिंग बंद हो जाती है. I decided to stop these temporary solutions and got this 5-star rated Acidity and Indigestion Kit. This is by Healing Hands, जिनके इंडिया में 35 plus hospitals हैं and are recommended by over 100 plus doctors. This kit has tablets Acidine Plus and Gasodine Plus and the syrup Apelite Plus. And what really sets them apart is that they use the ancient Ayurvedic knowledge with modern scientific and clinical validation for treating acidity, gas, and indigestion. I used to rely on Pantoprazole like so many people. But trust me, this kit starts by targeting the root cause and works more effectively. I can finally eat tikha khana stress-free. And this Apelite Plus syrup not only works on digestion, but also increases appetite naturally and works as appetizing syrup. Guys, if indigestion is making your life hell, then try Healing Hands Acidity and Indigestion Kit today.